computational maths again. This is what I like the best. I had no need to do it for a long time, but I've got a new invention. And I just learned off this guy on the internet. I didn't actually invent it. It's actually an oversight. It's a big oversight when it comes to modeling. That you can actually hand draw successfully normal mapping if you just sort of robotify yourself a little bit. But it draws a lot like dot product lining normal maps. So it means you can pretty much just draw a statue onto an image. So the thing is, it doesn't actually give you a structure straight away. You have to actually integrate the normal map. That's what we're talking about. So it's actually fairly intuitive to paint a normal map. Some artists actually do it. Yeah. Because you can paint any way whatsoever, and if you don't tell a beginner how to paint, some of them actually will come up to paint this way. Yeah, you're painting like a freaking robot. Okay. So say I've got a normal map and it's of a pyramid. You should be able to bring a pyramid back perfect. So every time I go down, I read the normal. So like you got that's normal. One goes up Y a little bit, one goes up Y a lot. So it just goes up Y a different amount each new pixel. And if you got a pyramid, it's guaranteed to come back perfect. So you could just do that. But I don't know, I had this strange prediction where I thought maybe if I was bringing back a helicopter, maybe sometimes it's got a little cool font on it. When you're bringing back a complex picture like that, then see that's pointing this way, and so I'm going up sort of gradually. Pointing right, and then I was pointing upward. I'm just coming in and out, so basically just going in and out using the normal map. So you think maybe sometimes it, yeah. So well, for one thing, you definitely have to start from one point and flood the field out from one point. Yeah. There's a person there when I'm doing this and he agrees with me when I say something good. Yeah, so he agreed. That is not a bad way to do it. But then I'm sort of worried sort of negatively that maybe sometimes it actually doesn't match up. Well, just think if you're just coming out at one point, if you come out like a diamond fill at the point, it only ever hits every pixel once anyway. So maybe just diamond flood fill, and then just go up and down the slope. I suppose not quite, because if I've got like a hat, then there's actually a bit that goes under that before it goes back up again. And so it doesn't report occlusions correctly. So with that, you need to have a pyramid that goes up and all the way back down again, otherwise it stops up. Or maybe just diamond fill and then it's got that issue. But as long as it was sort of undulating in front of the camera, so when it comes to a nose, it stuffs up on the nose. So maybe you could exaggerate it on angles. You give it like side exaggeration. And you just go for approximate, because you've got no brain cells left. Just start from a point, and as long as it didn't get too coplanar to the camera ray, then so these occlusions, well then it would stuff up. So you just say I skipped, I didn't go up much there. And then maybe it matches up. Would it cause it not to match? No. If you're going out like a diamond, it would always match. So like that's not that hard to do. It just depends how much brain cells you got left. But it should bring back the pyramid perfect.